Before we get into anything, I need you to do one thing. Just tap the subscribe button, tap that like button, and tap the comment and leave a comment. Thank you. Brother Nature, tuning in.
Yo, Canela, what's up with you, Canela? You can't just be rolling up to my car like that, Canela.
Brother Nature. Welcome to the Brother Nature Exploration. You're just tuned into something special today. I'm about to go up. So as y'all can see, y'all are just tuning into a new Brother Nature Experience Exploration Extravaganza. We headed. This is the Melodonza, and we are in treacherous territories. Excuse me. Whew. It is wonderful out here. Moment of truth. I'm about to get on. I'm scared. Look at this. Look at this. I think I'm finna get on that. Sure am. Goddamn Skippy. And quite over the cold wetness, as you can see. I took some great pictures. Great experience. I would say if you can travel for a living, do that.
What you mean? 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 I can give a fuck about your feelings.